Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home. No calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on reassembling the Thermomix TM31. If you've received your device in pieces, don't worry. We'll walk you through each step to get it back in working order. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by identifying the main components: the base, the mixing bowl, the lid, and the blade assembly. Start with the base. Check for any screws that may need tightening. Using your Phillips screwdriver, secure any loose screws you find. This is crucial for the stability of the device. Next, let's focus on the mixing bowl. Ensure that the bowl is clean and free from any debris. If you notice any residue, use a damp cloth to wipe it down. It's important to maintain cleanliness for optimal performance. Now we'll attach the blade assembly. Carefully place the blade into the mixing bowl, ensuring it fits snugly. You may need to twist it slightly to lock it in place. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the blade is secured, place the mixing bowl onto the base. Align it properly and turn it clockwise until you hear a click. This indicates that it's locked in place. Next, we'll attach the lid. Ensure the sealing ring is in good condition. If it's worn out, it may need replacing. Place the lid on top of the mixing bowl and turn it until it locks. This step is essential to prevent any spills during operation. Now, let's check the power cord. Ensure it's free from any damage and securely connected to the base. If you notice any fraying or wear, it's best to consult a professional. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. After ensuring everything is securely in place, it's time for a test run. Plug in your Thermomix and turn it on. Select a simple function, like blending, to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer quotes before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, if you've followed these steps and your Thermomix is still not functioning as it should, remember, no calls, no travel. We can handle everything from collection to delivery, making the process seamless for you. With your Thermomix TM31 reassembled, you're now ready to create delicious meals. Thank you for following along and enjoy your cooking. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.